Good morning, dear listeners. Welcome to our online lesson. Today we have grammar, questions, words. Вопросительные слова в английском языке. Lesson plan. What are questions, words in English? List of questions, words. Examples about questions, words, WH questions. Examples about yes, no questions. Examples about WH questions. What are questions, words in English? Questions, words are the words we use to make questions in a sentence. They mostly that start with WH, so we call them WH questions as well. Some common WH questions are what, where, who, why, when, which, and how. This kind of questions doesn't require yes or no answer. If you see a WH type of questions, you must give information according to the question's word. The word what asks for an object, however, who asks for a person. On this page, you will be able to learn the meaning and the usage of questions words. There are many vocabulary activities for WH questions here. You can play vocabulary games, read example sentence, and do puzzles online. First, you should study the word list below. Here we go. List of question words. You can learn question words with the pronunciation below. Who, кто, asks for person or pupil. Who is your English teacher? What, что, asks for something. What is your favorite color? Where, где, asks for place or position. Where is the cat? When, когда, asks for time. When is your birthday? Which, который, asks about choice. Which sports do you like? Whose, чья, asks about ownership. Whose is this pencil? Why, почему, asks for reason. Why are you late? Whom, кому, asks for person or people, object. Whom will you talk to? Whom, как, asks for manner, condition, or quality. How is your father? How far, как далеко, asks for distance. How far is your house? How long, как долго, asks for length, time or space. How long does it take to buy a car? How many, сколько, asks for quantity, countable. How many birds is there on the tree? How much, asks for quantity, uncountable. How much is this jacket? How old, asks for age. How old are you? Examples about questions word W questions. Examples about yes, no questions. Are you a student? Yes, she's a student. Is she a German? No, she's French. Are they at home? Yes, they are at home. Can you speak English? Yes, I can speak English. Is there a cat under the tree? No, There is a dog under the tree. Have you got a pencil in your bag? No, I haven't. Do you like playing chess? Yes, I do. Did you sleep well yesterday? No, I didn't sleep well yesterday. Does David usually work on Saturday? No, he sometimes works on Sunday. Have you eaten kebab? Yes, I have. Examples about WH questions. What color is it? It is yellow. What color is her dress? Her dress. It is white and green. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is orange. Where are you? Where are you? I'm at the bus stop. What nationality are you? I am Japanese. Where are they? They are at home. What languages can you speak? I can speak English, German, and Spanish. What is there under the tree? There is a cat under the tree. What have you got in your bag? I have got a bar of chocolate. What do you like doing at home? I like playing chess. Okay, dear listeners, let's practice. Personal information. We learn about the person and asks a question. Okay. He is Lionel Messi. He is 29 years old. He is an athlete. He is from Argentina. Now we ask question. Who is he? How old is he? What is his occupation? Where is he from? Next. She is Shakira. She is 20 years old. She is a singer. She is from Colombia. Now, we ask question, who is she? How old is she? What is her occupation? Where is he from? They are Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. They are 53 and 41 years old. They are actors. They are from the United States. Now we ask question, who are they? How old are they? What is their occupation? Where are they from? Emma Watson, 26, actress, France. Who is she? How old is she? What is her occupation? Where is she from? Okay, dear listeners, the lesson is over. Goodbye. Thank you for your attention.